Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing concrete prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Install the Net SDK and your IDE, then add Microsoft, Entity Framework Core and the provider package. This gives runtime and provider APIs. Create your DB context class and POCO entity models so you have a mapped domain. Once done, register the DB context in dependency injection with the connection string in app settings. JSON. This connects configuration to runtime. Make sure to keep migrations in mind. You're ready to create the initial migration next. Now you move into the complex middle steps, generating and applying migrations and tuning behavior. Use .NET F migrations add to scaffold schema changes so the code represents the database. This is how EF tracks model evolution. Apply them with .NET F database update or call context. Database. Migrate at startup when appropriate. Configure options like lazy loading as no tracking for read queries and connection pooling to optimize performance. Once configured, write repository or service methods that use DB context lifetimes correctly. Scoped per request is finished by seeding data, securing settings, and validating runtime behavior. This closes the feature loop. Seed data either in migrations or a startup hosted service, but ensure the seed is idempotent so repeat runs are safe. Secure connection strings and avoid enable-sensitive data logging in production. Instead, use structured logging to capture EF SQL. If something breaks, check the migration history table and verify the connection string and provider. Mismatches are the most common culprit. Make sure to run tests against a disposable data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.